Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through live video monitoring with the MOVA Mobius 60. If you're interested in the Mobius 60, the link to it will be in the video description. So, first things first, we have the Mobius 60 pulled up within the MOVA app. Near the top right-hand corner below the plus icon is a video camera icon. We can select that, and we'll be taken into our live video monitoring mode where we need to enter our activation code. So we have that entered, and it's going to load, and then it's going to bring up the live video monitoring. And you'll get voice prompts and such from the vacuum. I can hear those in the other room. So this is what it's going to look like. We'll just start in the top left-hand corner. We'll make our way around. There's a lot of icons here. But top left-hand corner, we have our map. So we can choose on our map here different points, right? And it can go and we can dispatch it to that particular setting. There's also this little house with an S icon. And we could add multiple spots here and it can go patrol those areas. So that's the map. Then we have our little flashlight icon. We can have an auto light or manually turn that light on so we can control the LED light from here. Top right-hand corner, we got the little question icon. It's bringing you the initial settings if you set this up for the first time, explaining some of the key features, the mark to go, whole house cruise, video status prompts, so all that right there. Next, we have a little image. That's going to be the gallery if you want to view your saved images and such. And then those three dots, schedule cruise and cruising record right there. So you have those options. So we can select that. And it'll take us there if we had any tasks scheduled for the cruise, which we don't. And then we can look at our cruising record right here. So nothing right there. Moving along, we have our little audio mic icon there. So we can talk in. It does have two-way audio. We also have our photo and video options. It takes 1-minute videos in those sorts of increments. Below that, the lightning bolt, that's going to be to send it back home to charge. Next to that with the arrow, the circle with the arrow pointing up, that's going to be to raise and lower the module. Then next to that, we actually have a pet feature, so we can enable that. It'll go be dispatched to start finding pets. If you have pets around your house, it'll go cruise and find your pets. And then to the left of that, the pet with the little audio icon, we can interact with our pets. It plays a couple different sounds, which is fun. Tick-tock purring, footsteps, woof woof, and meow meow. So that's really fun that we have those pet-centric settings there. And then bottom left-hand corner, that's going to be the ability to manually drive it forward, left, right, spin it around, all of that as well. But for me, just to sample everything for you guys, let's go to the map here. Let's go cruise. We're going to go into 2 rooms, and we'll start our cruise. So that's what we're going to do, and we're going to watch that in real time here as we're dispatched. And here we go. It's working on cruising. It's going to find its position. It's heading to the kitchen first. Again, we can record a video if we wanted, right? When it makes it to that spot, I believe it will rotate if it's like the other ones that we've tried. So it made it to that spot, and now it gives you a full 360. Once the 360 is done, then it will drive to the next spot. It goes on and on for each spot you have selected, and then when it's finished, it goes back home automatically, which we'll see. But for now, let's watch it go to the next room. So it's making its way in. Again, we can snap a photo. But very fun if you wanted to use this to spy on your pets, check on your kids while you're out of the house, right? All of that. Nanny cam, you name it. Oh, it's going to go under. Okay. I didn't know I was that close to the chair there. But it's going to rotate, full 360. And then for us, it's returning back to charge because I only selected 2 points. Got the video going again. snap more pictures. But it's very fast and efficient, very capable. I like to just have it dispatch. I don't typically manually drive them myself. I like just to set it and forget it and just watch it. But it'll make its approach back to the station. And again, you guys can't hear it or see it when it's operating here, but it is telling you that the camera is monitoring, so you are getting audible alerts in real time that the camera is being accessed for your privacy. But there we go. Now it's back in the station, returning to charge. It's all charged up. And it's ready to go again, or you can exit out of it. But that's a look at the live video monitoring. It's jam-packed full of a lot of features.